In this video we are going to review KitchenAid Classic Pizza Wheel. This one of the most popular and best pizza wheel you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. So, let's talk about KitchenAid Pizza Wheel. This colored model from KitchenAid is eye-catching and would be easy to spot in the kitchen drawer. The ergonomic handle of this is notably comfortable to hold, and there is also a very solid finger guard. Neither too light or too heavy, it feels very well made, sturdy and robust, there's no wobble on this one. As well as looking good, the cutter performed very efficiently, with the stainless steel blade slicing through the pizza first time. An added bonus is that the pizza cutter is dishwasher safe. The wheel is crafted from high-quality, premium 430 stainless steel that will stay sharp and resist rust. It is perfect for slicing pizza, waffles, pies, or cookie dough. Pizza restaurants use a roller cutter like this one. The sharp blade makes a clean cut in any crust and, unlike using a knife, actually presses the crust and toppings together, keeping the toppings on your pizza. The angled wheel allows optimal comfort and performance when slicing hot pizza straight out of the oven. The built-in finger guard protects your hands from both the blade and the heat. The sleek design of the handle gives it a premium feel as well. The glossy ABS handle features a debossed logo as well as an ABS chrome-plated bolster and end cap. For details, let's watch more.